Jeff Smith, PBL activity, week number 4. I am redesigning my bedroom using a Planner 5D software. I am presenting this in iMovie and I have a $5,000 budget to show you what I have done. Here is the overview of my new room. Here is my existing northwest part of my room. As you can see, I got the entry door and my 2 dressers with the mirror right on the left side. In my new room, I took out the 2 dressers and I replaced it with a nice painting. As you can see, I also have a nightstand on the right side of my bed and then my full bed as well. So the cost of this change is my new painting for $70, my lamp for $150, my chandelier for another $150, a total of $370, which leaves me with $4,630 left. So as we move on, here's the southwest part of the room, which has another dresser that we saw earlier, along with the computer desk and my computer chair. In my new room, I added the full bed, 2 nightstands on my bed, and as you can see, my main window on the left side. With the addition of the new big window, 2 nightstands, and the full bed, comes to $1,200 plus the $370 from the last edition. We have a total of $3,430 left in my budget. As you can see, here is another picture of the south end of my old room, which I changed. I moved the bed and the computer chair into my new bed, my new window, and as you can tell on the left side, my new TV and stereo. Here's a photo of the other corner, which includes my bed, my 2 nightstands, and my 2 lamps. I got rid of the bed and the 2 nightstands and the 2 lamps and put in a new 55-inch TV up top, an audio stereo system on the bottom, and a new fireplace along with a nice clock on top of that. So as we look at the costs, we see a TV with a mount for $950, fireplace for $600, stereo $300, clock was $25 for a total of $1,875, which we subtract from the other totals that we had, which leaves us with $1,555 left in my budget. Which leaves us with the last wall. This, you see, there's a window and a treadmill, along with a lamp, a painting, and a few bookshelves. I got rid of the treadmill and the window and put a nice dresser, which I'll be using, and it looks like a closet, and I put a new mirror on the left side of that. I found the dresser for $300 and the mirror for $50, which is a total of $350. If I subtract it from our old number, I have $1,205 left. Here is the overview of my room. My room is 16.5 feet by 16.5 feet, which gives it an area of 272 feet and a quarter. My walls are 8 feet tall, which gives it 132 square feet for each wall, which I times that by 4, which gives me 528 square feet of wall covering. So as we look at carpet and wall painting, I know I can find the area by multiplying my length times width, which is 16.5 times 16.5, which equals 272.25 square feet. My carpet costs $4 per square feet, so I take $4 times 272.25, which equals right around $1,100. So that's for my carpet. Now if we look at wall painting, I know again my length of my walls is 16.5 feet, and I know my walls are going to be 8 feet tall. So I got 16.5 times 8, which gives me 132 square feet. And I know I have 4 walls, so I'll multiply 4 times 132 equals 528 square feet. And the paint that I can buy, that I chose, was 1 gallon, covers 125 square feet. So I need to get about 6 of those gallons to cover the 528 feet that I have. And the gallons that I bought were $17 per gallon, which equals about $105. So we put them two together and we subtract that from our $5,000, we are left with $0 left in my budget. Thank you for watching my project on redesigning my room.